came here to get protected. So I'll share with you guys the history of barcodes. Barcodes were created by Norman Joseph Woodland. He was born in September 6 in 1921. He died in December 9th, 2012. He got his education from the Atlantic City High School, Drexel University, and he was also given the award of National Medal of Technology and Innovation. The basic idea of barcodes came from Morse code, but the dots were extended to lines that alternated black and white in parallel fashion. And this is still the case today. The original method of scanning the barcode to identify the product was accomplished through high voltage light bulbs, which is 500 watts to start with, and was used in conjunction with the film industry photomultiplier. This increased the intensity of the light and made the scanner easier for time being. As more and more companies needed to cut costs, they can shut the fuck up. More and more cut costs and wanted a system of inventory. More technology needed to be invented to make the system flexible. Thank you. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay.
That did not happen.
Alright. I'm gonna get this. Okay, I know its name. I know its price. But what are the lines on?
You don't know what the lines are?
No.
You don't even know what barcodes are?
Oh, they're called barcodes.
Oh my god.
Yeah. And what they are?
Yeah.
What are barcodes? Barcodes are an optical, machine-readable representation of data relating to the object to which it is attached. Originally, barcodes systematically represented data by varying the widths and spacings of parallel lines, and may be referred to as linear or one-dimensional. Later, they evolved into rectangles, dots, hexagons, and other geometric patterns in 2 dimensions. Although 2D systems use a variety of symbols, they are generally referred to as barcodes as well. Barcodes originally were scanned by special optical scanners called barcode readers. Later, scanners and interpretive software became available on devices including desktop printers and smartphones. What are barcodes? Barcodes are straight lines put on products to keep track of the large number of items in a store, tracking of item movement including rental cars, airline luggage, nuclear waste, mail and parcels, individual bees for researchers to track the insects' mating habits, tickets which allows the holder to enter sports arenas, cinemas, theaters, fairgrounds, transportation and others. It's also used for advertisement, information services, example for mobile tagging.
See? Got barcodes.
Of course not, got love.
You know how you go to that? Ask someone, I want to know now.
Hey.
Ask someone, ask the girl.
No, I just...
No, I want you to ask her.
Yeah, what?
What is this, huh? What is it used for?
That's a barcode. So you want to know how does it work?
Yeah, technically, yeah.
Okay, let me tell you now.
Each character in a barcode is represented by a pattern of wide and narrow bars. The barcode reader uses a photosensor to convert the barcode into electrical signals as it moves across the barcode. The scanner then measures the relative widths of the bars and spaces and translates the different patterns back into regular characters and sends them onto a computer or a portable terminal. Every barcode begins with a special start character and ends with a special stop character. These codes help the reader tag the barcode and figure out whether it's being scanned forward or backward. Some barcodes may include a checksum character just before the stop character. A checksum is calculated when the barcode is printed using the characters in the barcode. The reader performs the same calculation and compares its answer to the checksum it reads at the end of the barcode. If the two doesn't match, the reader assumes that something is wrong, throws out the data, and tries again. And that's basically how a barcode works.
So this is a barcode digit, the number, and this, the last digit, will be the check digit. And to find this number, every first alternative number you add up. 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. And total you get 20. And then you multiply it by 3 and you get 60. And then you add up the other alternative number, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, and you get a total of 25. And then you add up these two numbers, 60 plus 25, you get 25. And to get the check digit, you have to make it into the next multiple of 10, which is 90. To get 90, you need 5. And that is your check digit.
There are 4 different types of barcodes. They are
numeric-only barcodes. These are one of the most common barcodes that can be found in almost everywhere in a shop. They are usually used to retail products. Here are some of the examples of numeric barcodes. As you can see, they are made up of lines with different depths and numbers. Coming up next is alphanumeric barcodes. Alphanumeric barcodes are similar to numeric-only barcodes. They are also made up of lines with different depths, but both numbers and alphabets are included. Two-dimensional barcodes. Unlike the previous barcodes, two-dimensional barcodes look like pixelated diagrams. It also contains a large amount of data.
As a conclusion, different types of barcodes have different characteristics and also are used in different fields.
There are many advantages of barcodes. Firstly, barcodes eliminate the possibility of human error. Barcode scanners are almost error-free, with some scanners documenting error rates of 1 per many million characters. The occurrence of errors for manually entered data is significantly higher than that of barcodes. Secondly, a barcode scan is fast and reliable and takes infinitely less time than entering data by hand. It only takes minutes to master the handheld scanner for reading barcodes. Thirdly, barcodes are inexpensive to design and print. Barcodes can be customized economically in a variety of finishes and materials. Generally, they cost mere pennies regardless of their purpose or where they will be affixed. Fourthly, inventory control improves. Because barcodes make it possible to track inventory so precisely, inventory levels can be reduced. This translates into a lower overhead. The location of equipment can also be tracked, reducing the time spent searching for it and the money spent replacing equipment that is presumed lost. Fifth, data obtained through barcodes is available rapidly. Since the information is scanned directly into the central computer, it is almost ready instantaneously. This quick turnaround ensures that time will not be wasted on data entry or retrieval. Furthermore, barcodes can be customized to contain other relevant information as needed. They provide fast, reliable data for a wide variety of applications. Next, barcodes promote better decision making. Because data is obtained rapidly and accurately, it is possible to make more informed decisions. Better decision making ultimately saves time and money. Lastly, employees do not have to gain familiarity with an entire inventory or pricing procedure. This also makes employee training less expensive since they do not have to be paid for extra training time and another employee does not have to be compensated for training them. In conclusion, both inexpensive and user-friendly, barcodes provide an indispensable tool for tracking a variety of data.
Terima kasih.
No, cannot must do again.
Why? Just because you say terima kasih.
No,
This is English, you should say.